Welcome to the channel World Military News. This time we will discuss about U.S. Marines M240 Squadron machine gun weapons qualification history manufactured by Fabrique Nationale d'Ursel. The M240 is the U.S. military designation for the Belgium FN MAG 58. Mitrailleuse d'appui general, general supporting machine gun, a belt-fed gas-operated aircraft, reserved, fixed headspace, medium machine gun chambered for the 7.62 x 51 mm NATO cartridge. The M240 has been used by the United States Armed Forces since the late 1970s. It was first adopted as the U.S. Army's standard vehicle machine gun in 1977, and slowly adopted for more applications in the 1980s and 1990s. It is used extensively by the Marine Corps infantry, most often in rifle companies. Its versatility is demonstrated by its ability to be fired effectively from its integral bipod, mounted on a tripod, on-ground vehicles, watercraft, and aircraft. With a rating of 26,000 mean rounds between failure, the M240 is highly regarded for its reliability and has seen standardization among NATO members. Operation like all FN MAG variants, the M240 is fed from disintegrating belts and is capable of firing most types of 7.62 mm, 0.30 calories NATO ammunition. M240 variants can also be converted to use non-disintegrating belts. The weapon fires from the open bolt position, meaning that the bolt is held to the rear and only moves forward as it is firing a round. The firing pin is static, and the bolt moves around the firing pin, circumventing any need for a hammer. A sear is used to time the internal mechanisms of the weapon to provide a consistent rate of fire, ensuring proper function and accuracy. Clearing the weapon is performed by ensuring that the bolt is locked to the rear, and the weapon is unsafe. The top cover is then lifted. The remaining belt, if any, is swept out of the feed tray. The feed tray is lifted to visually inspect the chamber and the face. The rate of fire may be controlled by 3 different gas regulator settings. The barrels can be exchanged rapidly with a barrel release button located on the left side of the weapon. Specifications for the original M240 machine gun. Manufacturer, FN America. Weight, 27.6 pounds. Length, 49.7 in. Barrel length, 24.8 in. Width, 4.7 in. Height, 10.4 in. Cartridge, 7.62 x 51 mm NATO. Action, gas operated, open bolt. Feed system, belt fed. Sights, front blade style iron sights, rear. Folding leaf with aperture and notch. Rate of fire, gas setting 1 to 650 - 750 RPM, gas setting 2 to 750 - 850 RPM, gas setting 3 to 850 - 950 RPM, muzzle velocity, 2,800 feet per second, effective firing range, 800 meters, 875 yards, bipod, 1,100 meters, 1,203 yards, tripod, maximum firing range, 3,725 meters, 4,074 yards.